Good afternoon. Today is April 10, 2024 Wednesday, and here are the 3 p.m. Estel Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the Estel Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 10, 2024 Wednesday. Here are the STL Shore 3 p.m. draw results for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Wednesday, April 10, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Wednesday, April 10, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.